Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In today's video, we will discuss Python Lambda function. So let's start the video. Lambda function is a small anonymous function. It can take any number of arguments, as many as number of arguments, but can only have one expression. It means it output of Python Lambda function will only have one expression. So let's see an example of this for complete understanding. So here is we have a lambda function which is x is equal to lambda a plus 10, in which we have to add 10 in the lambda function. So we will write the code print parenthesis x. This is this lambda function, and in bracket we will write 5. So in output it will add 10 plus 5. The output will be 15. So that's the whole lambda function. I hope you liked my tutorial. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and goodbye.